How to know or how to find your story viewers on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know or how to find your story viewers on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo. Once you are here, you're gonna find your story, click on it. Now all you need to do is, like you see at the bottom, I have 0 friends viewed, but once your account is already like you have a lot of friends in that, you're gonna find here a number instead of 0. Click on it, and here you have viewers. Like they're gonna show you a list of your friends who saw your story. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.